making my way to Nelson's, gonna make his car undrivable. We're gonna slam it on its nutsack, it's gonna be way too low. Fuck! Gonna slam his car so it is borderline unusable. He's not gonna be able to drive it. He's not gonna be able to drive it. Alright, we're almost there, motherfuckers.
Coils on the 180. This is the left side. Okay, thanks. Come back next video for Okay, we're done.
I got a pocket and a pocket full of sunshine. You got a pocket and
Oh.
Why is there one glove left?
Are you
Did I give you an uneven number?
Oh no. Well, yesterday one of the gloves ripped, so I just grabbed another one.
Oh. Alright, mother assholes. If you haven't noticed already, we're doing rectile examinations today. Oh, I think I just ripped my glove.
Okay, Adam, bend over.
I'm okay.
Okay.
How about you? Yeah, anyway, we're doing rectile examinations. It's like a lemonade stand, but for old dudes, I guess.
It's prostate.
Okay, actually, we're putting coils into Nelson's car.
Yeah.
Really crusty coils. KTS, I've never heard of them.
I mean, $300 from Facebook.
Yeah, $300. But yeah, we'll slap them in, see how they friggin' Yankee Doodle.
Yeah. Ooh. That's. I don't think it's in the budget.
Justin Trudeau's got to pay us a little more before we can buy those, eh? Justin Trudeau's coming through with the cash, honestly.
They're like
great cash.
I gotta suck them off. He almost shouted out you guys.
Really?
Yeah, where he said like speaking moistly.
That's
Like if he said moist boys, like even like.
Justin, my man. I think. What are the top bolt size? 12. Okay, hurry it up, man. I don't have all week.
Do you know I can just like edit it so so it opens up faster. Like.
All right.
Okay. I think these are 14. Oh yeah, front main doesn't. Oh yeah, car. Oh yeah, guys. Car starts. Front main's not leaking. So far.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry for the video quality yesterday.
Wait, are you tight or loose?
Those are so. This is loosening, but why are they so tight?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
I see it.
That bolt's gone forever.
No, I see it now. Woke up at 1 in the morning, couldn't fall back asleep.
So what'd you do?
I just like, I don't know, I was just listening to music and I was like, went on my phone. And I was like watching some like EGR delete videos on, I searched up SR20 DET EGR delete on YouTube. And every video was for a KADE. And I was like, no, there's no SR20 EGR delete videos or emissions delete videos, so.
That was a really good story, Nelson. She's fucking taut, isn't she?
Holy man! Oh, there we go. Nibble sucker
nice.
peanut butter. That's what it is. Oh, that's normal. There we go. I don't need this shit anymore.
Straight into your windshield. But you think this is gonna compress a lot more because it's not as stiff.
No, wait, does this go around like that?
It goes behind. Yeah.
Okay.
I think so. Well, no, you can just bend. Yeah, I think just throw it on.
Yeah.
Oh, you astronaut first class, up in the sky, drinking champagne.
How do you do that?
You just put it in like that, and then
Like that?
slide it in. Tighten these puppies down, and then this one's good to go.
Smells quick. That was a lot easier than Miata. Holy.
Yeah, I was bomb-winded on your Miata.
I hit it with this.
You just do it with that.
Dude, imagine owning a Miata.
You did. You got a fender mirror on your Miata too.
Dude, you had a Miata also.
Yeah, but I made money on my Miata.
I didn't make money off my Miata.
Exactly. Dude, what's with this helicopter? Get a fucking job. The hospital.
The hospital's like right over there. That's like the same area.
Man, I told. Oh, fuck.
You told me to loosen it off.
I know. Whatever, you can slam it again later.
Well, it'll probably compress.
If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home.
GLMNOROUS. GLMNOROUS. We are in first class, up in the sky, drinking champagne, living our life in the fast lane. Oh, the bossy. Man, you see that?
What?
I was in the air.
Do it again?
I'm just chilling. I'll try it again.
Levitate?
Woo!
You're hanging from it.
There we go. So guys, we got the fronts are done, coils are all tightened up and on. Yeah, we're just gonna put all the wheels on, lower it, and then make sure everything's good. And I want to slam it today, just cause like trying to put these coils on and just like have some like nice stiff ride, not those jonky boat feeling ride, you know. And then later on, I'm gonna when I get those wheels, I gotta like I did some measuring, and then I'll adjust them to that same ride height later on. Well, that's good. That's like
It's not on the ground.
no, that's good. There's like no like play, you know.
Yeah.
So like it's gonna be stiff.
Yeah. Stiff like my penis.
Yeah.
All right, Nelson's taking off the top hat bolts on the rear coils.
And the rear struts.
And the rear struts.
And the rear coils, actually.
Shut that up. Wow, cool guy. Ha ha ha.
There's a fire.
This fucking guy, I swear to God. Break your goddamn hatch. Alright, we're gonna just have to jack it up.
Okay, so we got this rear end, got everything tightened up. Gonna throw the wheel on there. Oh, I need some new tires for this bad bitch. Got some new tires in the back of the hatch. I'll throw them on tomorrow.
Jesus. Alright, got this side all in. Nelson just doing the top bolts.
Okay guys, so we got the wheels on, suspension all tightened up. We're gonna drop the car to the floor, then torque up all the wheels. I actually torqued the wheels in a Moist Boys video.
Shut the fuck up. Sorry we're not privileged like you and don't have a torque wrench.
Okay, I'm sorry. But also, for anybody who's a 180, the passenger side frame rail, like there's just a piece missing, and it comes like that from factory. Just in case, like if you're wondering if you're 180 and you're like, why is this missing? That's normal.
Thank you, Nelson.
Yep. But here's the ride height. I'm not gonna full stem it yet. I'm gonna wait till some wheels, cause I probably have like, I don't know, like 150 frame bangs in the car, and I don't want to waste the frame bangs on some stock wheels, man. Are you kidding me? But yeah, I've got the car down. We're just gonna pull it out to the sun so you can get some nice shots.
But the front's so much higher than
Yeah,
the rear.
the front's, yeah, the rear's actually like decent ride height. But yeah.
Are you gonna lower the front more?
Oh yeah. Well, the fronts can be lowered a lot, like really easy.
Yeah.
I think I like the rears. Well, I mean, I can just take a.
Yeah, so Nelson's not fully slamming it until he gets wheels. I'm selling him my old Longchamps at some point. Yeah, and then that's pretty much it. So, what should they comment?
Well, I mean, I said something last time, but no, cut it out the video, man.
Noah's such a fuck. Noah, don't cut it out. Come on.
Comment your. I don't know. Should I do the same thing as last time?
Sure. So no, cut it out.
Yeah. No, don't cut this out, you fucking piece of shit. So guys, call me your favorite S chassis, like S13, 14, 15, like Zanky,
12.
S12. Dude, you know the S12 came with a V6, I think, and same with like a inline 4 turbo. Hey mom. Wait,
Hi.
mom, what should they comment on the video? What's their favorite thing? What should they comment on the video?
Call you on the video?
Comment like what's your favorite blank?
What's my favorite blink?
Blank.
Blink?
Can you explain?
I don't know. I'm usually explaining.
No, like what's your favorite type of dog? What's your favorite cat? Like, what should they comment on the video?
Comment on the video.
Yes. On the YouTube video.
Videos are stupid?
No.
Fair.
That's a comment. I don't
can comment that.
understand.
No, like there's like YouTube video.
Are you trying to name it?
No, we have the name, but what should the watchers comment on the video?
Oh.
Yeah. Like what's their favorite like tree, sapping, car, whatever.
What was your favorite part of
Alright.
Yeah. Thank you, mom.
Thank you.
What was your favorite part of the video? No, don't cut that out, or you're dense, man.
Yeah, come on, man. Alright, remember to like too and
Yeah.
subscribe.
Yeah, wait, actually, whoa. Hey, I see you over there.
Yeah.
Mr. Watcher the whole video hasn't liked it yet. We're gonna wait for this guy to like.
Yeah, right there. Click it.
Come on, just
Come
click it.
Click it.
We're waiting.
Do it. It's right there.
You know, I'm gonna measure my.
It's not hard. It's free. Man, nothing doesn't go negative, eh?
So this video has been sponsored by Ronald Anthony and Friends.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's horrendous.
I know. Just slammed in the rear up. So you're gonna lower the front a bit, eh?
Yeah, easy.
And then properly lower it once.
Once I get wheels.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you next time, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Skidoo. Skidoo.